In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to Trello card description. Let's begin on the Trello homepage. Open your browser, go to Trello.com, and sign in if you're prompted so you can access your boards. From the top navigation, click Boards to see everything you have access to. Choose the board you want to work in. Any existing board will do for this walkthrough. Once the board opens, pick the card where you want to add links. I'll use a simple example called Go to the Park, but you can select any card on your board. When the card opens, look for the description section. If it's empty, you'll see a prompt that says Add a more detailed description. Click into that area to start editing. Above the description field, you'll see a small toolbar. To add a link, click the link button. It looks like a chain icon. A dialog appears with fields for the URL and the display text. In the URL field, type or paste the link you want to add. For best results, paste the full address with HTTPS. So, Trello recognizes it correctly. If you paste the wrong thing or change your mind, use the little X in the field to clear it instantly and start fresh. Next, choose the text you want to show in the description. Instead of displaying a long web address, use a short, descriptive label like Trello. This keeps your description clean and easier to scan. When both fields look good, click Insert. You'll see the linked text appear right in the description editor. Need more than one link? No problem. Click the link button again and repeat the process. For example, paste another address and set the display text to something clear like Google. Then click Insert. Back in the description, you'll now see multiple linked items. To make them easier to read, add a space or press Enter between them so they don't run together. This quick bit of formatting is especially helpful if you're gathering several resources for your team. Take a moment to review what you've added. Check that each label matches its destination and that there aren't any typos in the URLs. Clear, specific labels help teammates understand where each link goes without hovering or guessing. When you're done editing, click Save to apply the changes. Then close the card by clicking the X in the top right corner. Back on the board view, hover your mouse over the card you just edited. You'll notice a small badge indicating that the card now has content in its description, and you may see an icon that reflects links or attachments. Click the card again to open it and verify your work. Inside the description, the links you just created are live. Click one, like the Trello link, to confirm it opens in a new tab and takes you to the right place. Do the same for the second link to ensure everything behaves as expected. Testing right away avoids confusion later and saves your teammates from clicking broken links. If you decide a link is no longer needed, it's easy to remove. Reopen the description, highlight the linked text you want to delete, press backspace or delete to remove it, and then click Save. That's all it takes to clean up the description while leaving the rest of your notes intact. A few quick tips to wrap up. Keep link labels concise and descriptive so they're easy to understand at a glance. Group related links together and separate them with spaces or line breaks to keep things tidy. And whenever possible, paste secure, complete URLs to minimize the chance of a broken link. That's it. You've just learned how to add, format, test, and remove links in a Trello card description.